and welcome to IoT Forge Unplugged. Every 2 weeks, we bring you the most exciting news from the world of IoT in this short podcast, where I break down the latest updates and trends. I'd love for you to be part of the conversation, with sharing feedback, suggesting stories I may have missed, or just discussing these developments with the community. So let's get started. Today is March 18th, and this is our 6th episode of 2025. Arduino turns 20. Arduino has been a gateway into embedded system for countless developers, hobbyists, and engineers. It revolutionized prototyping by making hardware accessible to those with little to no prior experience. Now, in 2025, Arduino is celebrating its 20th anniversary with Arduino Day, a global event bringing together its vibrant community to reflect on the platform's impact and future. Arduino remains one of the most beginner-friendly ways to experiment with microcontrollers, bridging the gap between software and the physical world. However, with newer, more powerful alternatives like the ESP32 and NRF series, some questions whether Arduino is still keeping pace. As you pointed out, while these competitors offer better performance and connectivity at a similar price, Arduino holds a unique place in history as an educational and entry-level platform. Its simplicity and vast ecosystem continue to make it a go-to choice for learning and rapid prototyping. Hopefully, it will keep evolving to stay relevant in the modern IoT landscape. The Arduino blog post highlights how the community can participate in this milestone event, sharing projects, joining workshops, and engaging in discussion about Arduino's next step. Whether you're an experienced developer or just getting started, this is an opportunity to celebrate a tool that has shaped the maker movement for 2 decades. So, what's next for Arduino? Can it maintain its relevance in a modern dominated by more powerful alternatives? Or will its legacy be its true lasting impact? Gemini Robotics. AI meets the physical world. For decades, we've seen futuristic AI-powered robots in movies seamlessly interacting with their environments. Now, Google DeepMind's Gemini Robotics is taking a real step toward that vision, bringing AI beyond the digital realm and into physical spaces. This new initiative explores how advanced AI models can control robotics hardware, enabling machines to adapt, learn, and perform complex real-world tasks. In IoT Forge, robotics is a frequent topic, making this development particularly relevant. While much of the discussion around AI revolves around software, the real challenge is integrating intelligence with hardware, teaching robots not just to think, but to act in a dynamic environment. This is where IoT and robotics intersect. AI-driven control systems could revolutionize everything from industrial automation to assistant technologies. The article dives into DeepMind's latest advancements, showcasing how AI can improve robotics perception, reasoning, and interaction with the world. If you are interested in how AI is shaping the future of robotics, this is a must-read. Are we on the brink of seeing AI-powered robots become as capable as those in sci-fi? Or are there still fundamental challenges to solve before they become a part of daily life? Home Assistant evolution: smarter, more connected, and music-ready. Home Assistant has long been a favorite among smart home enthusiasts for its flexibility, privacy-first approach, and open-source foundation. And now it's making 2 major strides, expanding its music assistant and achieving official Meta certification. These updates reinforce Home Assistant's role in a serious competitor in the smart home space, proving that open-source solutions can not only match but sometimes outperform proprietary platforms. For many, music is a key part of home automation, and Home Assistant's Music Assistance update brings deeper integration, multi-room support, and better synchronization across devices. Open source support for high-quality audio playback is essential, especially for families and enthusiasts who don't want to be locked into a specific ecosystem. On a larger scale, Meta certification is a game changer. Meta is an emerging standard that aims to unify smart home devices across ecosystems like Apple Home, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. With this certification, Home Assistant isn't just an alternative, it's a leader proving that open source projects can compete at the highest level with the big techs. If you love Home Assistant as much as I do, these updates should be exciting. Will open source solutions eventually dominate the smart home space, or will proprietary ecosystems always hold an advantage? Circuit bending, the art of breaking boundaries in sound and tech. In the world of electronics, sometimes the most exciting discoveries come from accidents. Circuit bending is one such discovery, a practice that turns everyday electronic devices into unpredictable musical instruments. It's a DIY approach to sound design that encourages experimentation, creativity, and breaking free from predefined constraints. The movement traced back to 1967, when Reed Ghazala accidentally short-circuited an audio devices, producing strange, oscillating sounds. Instead of seeing this as a malfunction, he saw an opportunity. What if these sounds could be controlled and used artistically? This marked the beginning of circuit bending, the intentional modification of electronic devices to generate unexpected audio effects. Over the years, this practice has grown into a global movement embraced by musicians, sound designers, and DIY enthusiasts. Unlike traditional electronic musical production, circuit bending doesn't follow schematics or rules. It thrives on improvisation, inviting artists to explore and discover without limitations. Ghazala himself called it an anti-theory approach, similar to abstract art. Each modified device became a one-of-a-kind instrument, shaped by accident and intention. One of the most compelling aspects of circuit bending is its accessibility. No expensive equipment or deep technical knowledge is required, just a toy, a soldering iron, and a willingness to experiment. This has led to a revival of interest in lo-fi electronics, glitch music, and experimental sound. While circuit bending started in an analog world, its spirit aligns closely with IoT movement. Today, thinkers and engineers push smart devices beyond their intended capabilities, much like early circuit benders did with audio toys. Both practices emphasize hacking, repurposing, and redefining what technology can do. Circuit bending is more than a technique, it's philosophy. It shows that innovation often comes with play, curiosity, and unexpected outcomes. Whether you're into music, DIY electronics, or IoT hacking, circuit bending invites you to rethink how technology interacts with us. So, what everyday device will you crack open and reimagine next? So, to recap today's episode, Arduino turned 20, a moment to celebrate its role in modern electronics. Gemini Robotics is pushing AI into the real world, a glimpse in the future of automation. Home Assistant makes major strides in smart home tech with Meta certification and music assistant updates. Circuit bending shows us how hacking sound can be a gateway to creativity and innovation. What are your thoughts? Which of these developments excited you the most? Do you see potential application for your own project? Let's discuss. If you enjoyed this episode, hit like and share it with your colleagues. Join IoT Forge. Stay curious and have an amazing day. See you next time. Bye.